First reading, Sirach chapter 3 verse 17 to 18, 20, 28 to 29. My child, be gentle in carrying out your business, and you will be better loved than a lavish giver. The greater you are, the more humbly you should behave, and then you will find favor with the Lord. For great though the power of the Lord is, he accepts the homage of the humble. For the disease of the proud there is no cure, since an evil growth has taken root there. The heart of the sensible will reflect on parables, and attentive ear is the sage's dream. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 68 verse 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 10 to 11. Sing to God, play music to his name, build a road for the rider of the clouds, rejoice in Yahweh, dance before him, Father of orphans, defender of widows, such is God in his holy dwelling. God gives the lonely a home to live in, leads prisoners out into prosperity, but rebels must live in the bare wastelands. God, when you set out at the head of your people, when you strode over the desert, your family found a home, which you in your generosity provided for the humble. The Lord gave a command, the good news of a countless army. Gospel, Luke chapter 14 verse 1, 7 to 14. Now it happened that on a Sabbath day he had gone to share a meal in the house of one of the leading Pharisees, and they watched him closely. He then told the guests a parable, because he had noticed how they picked the places of honor. He said this: when someone invites you to a wedding feast, do not take your seat in the place of honor. A more distinguished person than you may have been invited, and the person who invited you both may come and say, give up your place to this man. And then, to your embarrassment, you will have to go and take the lowest place. No, when you are a guest, make your way to the lowest place and sit there, so that, when your host comes, he may say, my friend, move up higher. Then, everyone with you at the table will see you honored. For everyone who raises himself up will be humbled, and the one who humbles himself will be raised up. Then he said to his host, when you give a lunch or a dinner, do not invite your friends or your brothers or your relations or rich neighbors, in case they invite you back and so repay you. No, when you have a party, invite the poor, the crippled, the lame, the blind, then you will be blessed, for they have no means to repay you, and so you will be repaid when the upright rise again. Second reading, Hebrews chapter 12 verse 18 to 19, 22 to 24. What you have come to is nothing known to the senses, not a blazing fire, or gloom or total darkness, or a storm, or trumpet blast, or the sound of a voice speaking which made everyone that heard it beg that no more should be said to them. But what you have come to is Mount Zion, and the city of the living God, the heavenly Jerusalem where the millions of angels have gathered for the festival, with the whole church of firstborn sons, enrolled as citizens of heaven. You have come to God himself, the supreme judge, and to the spirits of the upright who have been made perfect, and to Jesus, the mediator of a new covenant, and to purifying blood, which pleads more insistently than Abel's.